Hello, hello. Welcome in. As you join in, tell me where you're from, what you're up to this beautiful Monday, and what your temperature is. And I bet I can win. I bet I can beat you no matter what your temperature is at your house outside. Hey there, Colorado. I am, Miss Beverly. It's going well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi, Barbara. I just shot you an email a few minutes ago. Oh, I have you beat by a long shot, Beverly. Hi, Miss Florida. Got you beat, Lisa. Got you beat, girl. Oh, Vicky, you're not even in the ballpark. You're not even in the playing field. Thanks, Bev. I'm really excited too. Got you beat, Shawnee. I'm going to tell y'all in a minute. $82. Get on with yourself. $74. Please. Oh, I know it's not hot in Canada. Oh, Patty might have me beat. Patty in Vegas might have me beat. So our top temp today is supposed to be 110. 110 degrees. And my husband is out working in that. God love him. Yep. Barbara, you're not even gonna get as hot as we are. I'm surprised because you're down south. No, we don't have humidity. Well, I shouldn't say we never have humidity. We had humidity yesterday because it rained, y'all. I am like blown away. I have never in my life seen rain in August in California. Never. Hi, William. It is crazy hot for Northern California. I mean, it does happen. We usually have a day or two where we get like 103, 104 in August. That is not abnormal. But 110 is pretty dang hot. I am very concerned about my chickens. I am nervous for them today. And it's going to be a rough day. That's hot. That's very, very hot. And I don't expect to see my husband very much this week in general. So those that are new or don't know, he's a power lineman. So when we have extreme heat like this, that means transformers pop and blow left and right because they're overloaded. They can't take it. They can't take the drain and then the heat combination, and it causes them to pop. And so then the crews are out trying to repair them in this heat. It's crazy. Carolyn, I don't think I could get all 12 chickens in the house. First of all, I've got 3 new chickens that are new to my home. And they're wily. They are wild little things. So I definitely know I couldn't get them in the house. But I am considering opening the gate so that they can go wherever they want to versus keeping them in their little chicken run. No problem, Miss Barbara. I know, Marty. I feel bad for him too. I mean, I just told him this morning when he left, please, please, please drink so much water that it makes your stomach hurt. Like, please. Girl, my old office is my child's bedroom. I can't put my chickens in there. Nah, the hawks won't get them. It's too hot. You need those funky black chickens with the wild top knot. I have one, except it's white. Yep, that's what we're doing too, Marty. We froze cubes from I have like a Pampered Chef mini loaf tray, and I put a few veggies in it, and then I put water in it, and I froze them. And so we've been throwing them those. But I think I'm going to go turn the sprinkler on so it gets the ground nice and wet, and that might help. Okay, let's do this. So for those that are new, let me grab my other paper. Hold on. Okay, so for those that are new, I am working towards a huge goal, something that I've never accomplished before with Stampin' Up, and I have until September 30th, but I thought I better start working towards it in August because it's going to be close. And then if I still need help come September, I'll come up with something else new. But yeah, so for August, through August 31st, if you purchase $50 in product from me, you get a pack of all the trimmings embellishments. You just get one pack. So just so you know how that works. If you place an order over $150, please don't use the host code, because then you're going to not get your Stampin' rewards. And then every time I get $100 worth of orders, even if it's collective, I'm filling in a box. Every time I get $1,000 in sales, I'm doing a giveaway for Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So this will be number 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. We're going to be giving away number 6 today. And as you can see, I'm already starting towards number 7. So that's exciting and fun. And then these will all get shipped in the month of September because I can't order them yet. So I can't order these till September, but I'll order them in September and I'll ship them in September. They'll come directly from Stampin' Up to you. They will not come from me directly. And let's see. Let me run through the legal stuff really quick. No purchase necessary to win. You can enter by putting a comment on the original blog post when this started way back at the beginning of August. It's on my website. So you'll have to go look for that. And this is not a Stampin' Up promotion. This is directly from Wendy Cranford, myself. It's not representative of any other demonstrator or Stampin' Up. So there's all those things. Okay. And one other thing, if for some reason there's a back order on these machines or they aren't available right away in September like they're supposed to be, don't fret. As soon as they come available, I will be ordering them for my winners. So please, please just know you will get it. I promise. Okay, so let's do a drawing. See who wins. This is getting bigger and bigger. Here we go. Here we go. Who's it going to be? Tona King. Woohoo! Tona's an awesome customer of mine. She's been a customer for a long time. I'm so happy she won. I'm happy every person that wins I'm happy about. It's just exciting. I wish I could give one away to everybody. So anyway, and then what is the other thing I wanted to tell you? I feel like there was something else I missed telling you. There's one other thing. Let me think a minute here. What else was it? It had something to do with machines. I don't know. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to share is don't forget to participate and play and have fun using the Color Splash. If you have these colors or similar colors, you can create cards or projects using them, share them on social media and tag me, and then I'll share it on my social media. So this is this week's color splash. I released a video Saturday morning along with pictures and stuff, but I have more fun stuff coming today and tomorrow using this color combination. So you'll get to see that as well. And today I have a really cool YouTube video going up that it has me making a card with this color combo, but it also is showing you a little sneak peek into my team life. So that will be up hopefully in the next few hours. So if you are interested, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. Just search Wendy Cranford or Love and Stampin' and you should be able to find me. Okay, I think that's everything for today. As soon as this gets filled up, we'll do another drawing. I'm incredibly blown away, humbled, excited, could cry, all the things, all the emotions when it comes to this. I really thought I might fill like 3 or 4 rows, and here we are working on number 7. So I'm just flabbergasted. And we still have almost 2 weeks left of August. So I think this could happen. I think I could fill them all up. Again, I'm blown away. Thank you, Bev. I'm kind of thrilled for me too, if I'm being honest. So thank you so much. And thank you to all of you who are placing orders and helping me achieve this goal. I really, really appreciate it. You can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. And use the host code. All right, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye.